Hi, welcome to my channel. Here are 11 surprising benefits of Waterleaf to health. Number 1. Rich in nutrients. Waterleaf is packed with essential nutrients like vitamins A and C, calcium, potassium, and iron. These nutrients contribute to overall health, supporting immune function, bone health, and more. 2. Antioxidant properties. The presence of antioxidants in Waterleaf helps combat oxidative stress and free radicals in the body. This can potentially lower the risk of chronic diseases and support healthy aging. 3. Anti-inflammatory effects. Compounds in Waterleaf have demonstrated anti-inflammatory effects. Consuming Waterleaf may aid in reducing inflammation in the body, contributing to the prevention of inflammatory conditions. 4. Aids digestive health. The fiber content in Waterleaf promotes healthy digestion. Adequate fiber intake supports regular bowel movements, prevents constipation, and maintains a healthy gastrointestinal system. 5. Regulates blood sugar. Some studies suggest that Waterleaf may have blood sugar regulating properties. This can be beneficial for individuals managing diabetes or those aiming to maintain stable blood sugar levels. 6. Supports heart health. Potassium in Waterleaf contributes to heart health by helping regulate blood pressure. A diet rich in potassium is associated with a lower risk of cardiovascular diseases. 7. Enhances vision. The high vitamin A content in Waterleaf is essential for maintaining healthy vision. Adequate vitamin A intake supports eye health and may prevent age-related vision issues. 8. Boosts immune system. Vitamins A and C, along with other nutrients, play a crucial role in supporting the immune system. Regular consumption of Waterleaf may help the body defend against infections and illnesses. 9. Potential anti-cancer properties. Some studies suggest that Waterleaf contains compounds with anti-cancer properties. While more research is needed, these findings highlight its potential in preventing certain types of cancer. 10. Weight management. The fiber content in Waterleaf promotes a feeling of fullness, potentially aiding in weight management by reducing overall calorie intake. 11. Hydration. As the name implies, Waterleaf has a high water content, contributing to hydration. Staying well hydrated is vital for various bodily functions, including temperature regulation and nutrient transport. Please subscribe to my channel for more.